Good day, CM2. I hope everyone is well and that you are doing fine today and that you are ready for this week. Okay, welcome to lesson 13. We are still on unit 9. What can you do there? So if you travel to another place, if you travel somewhere and you want to know what things you can do, you ask the question, what can I do there? So our title is, What Can You Do There? Okay, let's get into today's lesson. Let us go to our student book, our SBs, and turn to page 58. Let's go to page 58. Okay, page 58, you're supposed to do number 2. You already did number 1. Okay, number 2, you have to complete the conversation. And already the first one is already there for you, A. Where can I look at some paintings? Okay, so they are using the word can. So you can use that word as well. Okay, right. And then you will do number 3. It's pair work, but you will do it alone since you are alone. Okay, so before we start, let's go to our books and look at the useful words over here, okay? So I'm going to read the useful words. You can repeat after me, okay? Right. Every day. Every day. On weekends. On weekends. On Saturdays. On Saturdays. On Saturday nights. On Saturday nights. On Sunday afternoon. On Sunday afternoons. On Sunday afternoons. Okay, right. So what you will do is you will write down the conversation again, ask and answer the questions, and you can change and put the useful words. You can change and put the useful words. Okay, good job. Okay. Now we are going to do pronunciation. We're going to do pronunciation. I am going to read and you are going to listen and repeat. Okay, so you notice the can statements. Notice the can statements. Okay, all right. Can I get there by train? Can I get there by train? 2. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. 3. No, you can't. No, you can't. 4. What can I do there? What can I do there? 5. You can shop and buy gifts. You can shop and buy gifts. Okay, so you will do 2. You will go to the online book and you will listen and you can repeat. Okay, repeat what is said over there. All right. Okay, then you're going to have to watch. You're going to have to watch the introduction video. Right, and the introduction video is on London, okay? London sightseeing. And then after you watch the video, I'm going to give you a set of questions, only 5 questions for lesson 13. 5 questions, and you're going to answer those questions, okay? So first, watch the video, be sure, and then second, have a pen and paper or a pencil so you can write down the answers, okay? So question number 1 is, what is London the capital city of? What is London the capital city of? So Seoul is the capital city of Korea. So what is London the capital city of? Okay, number 2. What is another name for the London Eye? What is another name for the London Eye? Question 3. When was the wheel opened? When was the wheel opened? So the London Eye. When was the wheel opened? Okay. Number 4. Why was the wheel built? Why was the wheel built? And last question, number 5. Opposite the London Eye, what 2 attractions can you find? Opposite the London Eye, what 2 attractions, 2 places you can visit that are famous, you can find in London? Okay, then you stop the video at 0:33. Stop the video at 0:33. Okay, fantastic. Right. Good job. Now we're going to go to listening, page 59. Page 59. So you're going to have to go to the online book and listen and answer the questions. Before you listen, please look at the picture and write the correct letter for each picture. So we have A, B, C, and D, as you can see here, A, B, C, and D. And you have safari, A, safari, B, trail riding, C, riverboat cruise, D, camping. So you will choose the correct answer. Okay, so listening is going to take a while. Maybe it's going to take maybe 15 minutes. Okay, all right, so it will take a while when you listen at home. Number 2, you will listen and connect the people and the places. So you have to listen and connect the people and the places. Okay, that's awesome. Okay, so maybe the video will be short because it's listening. So I don't have listening with me. So you will go home and go online and do the listening, and it will take about 15 minutes. Okay. All right. So then once you're finished doing the listening, which is number 1 and number 2, I suppose you can do only number 1 and number 2. Yeah, only number 1 and number 2. Okay, so then once that is done, we are going to go to our workbooks, and we will turn to page 50. Okay, our workbooks. Go there, turn to page 50. Yes. Okay. And you have to do number 3, complete the questions and short answers, use can or can't, and personal pronouns. Okay, we already have an example for number 1. There's A and B, right? One asks the question and one gives the answer. So A says, can I see mosques in Grenada? And B says, yes, you can. Okay, so in the answer, you will use either can or you will use can't. Okay, all right, that's that. Okay, once you have finished number 3 on page 50, then you're going to go to page 51 and do number 4. Okay, so you will write questions and answers about Venice, use can or can't, those 2 words, and the activities on the list. Okay, so let's look at the activities on the list. It's over here. Okay, what can I do in Venice? Okay, number 1, visit a museum. Okay, so then you make a question. Can I? And then you will answer, yes, I can, or no, I can't. If it's like this, dang, it means that no, you can't. Sorry about that. But if it is a check, it means yes, you can. Okay, so we have number 1, visit a museum, check. Go to the zoo in Venice, dang. 3, watch a soccer game, check. Go skiing, 4, no. 5, walk on the beach, check. 6, climb a mountain, no. Okay, so let's look at example number 1. Okay, 1 as an example, number 1 says, can I visit a museum in Venice? Then you go to the list here. Oh, it's a check. So very easy, then your answer will say, yes, you can. And then number 2, it says go to the zoo here. So then you will be like, can I go to the zoo in Venice. Okay, full sentence because it's talking about Venice City. Okay, and then you will give the answer according to if it's a cross or if it's a check. Yes, you can, or no, you can't. Okay, and that's the end of lesson 13, sorry. Good job, and I'm going to see you on lesson 14. Okay, bye everyone.